Indoor trees are an excellent way to bring nature indoors while saving space. These compact varieties add beauty, improve air quality, and create a calm, refreshing atmosphere in any room. Whether you prefer tropical foliage or elegant evergreen forms, there's a perfect choice for every home. Let's explore the best indoor trees for small homes and find your favorite today. Beginning with fiddle leaf fig or Ficus lyrata. The fiddle leaf fig is one of the most popular indoor trees, admired for its large, glossy, violin-shaped leaves that instantly create a bold statement in any room. Native to the tropical rainforests of West Africa, it thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys consistent watering when the top inch of soil feels dry. With proper care, this elegant tree can grow over 6 feet tall indoors, making it perfect for adding height and style to small homes. Its lush green foliage brings a fresh, modern look while creating a calm and inviting atmosphere. Rotate the plant regularly to encourage even growth and keep its beautiful leaves clean for maximum shine. Rubber plant or Ficus elastica. The rubber plant is a stunning indoor tree known for its large, leathery leaves and rich green color that instantly enhances any living space. Originally found in the tropical forests of South and Southeast Asia, it grows best in bright, filtered light and prefers watering only after the soil has partially dried. This hardy plant is well suited for beginners because it is forgiving and relatively low maintenance. Indoors, it can reach an impressive height while remaining compact enough for small homes. Its bold foliage creates a stylish, contemporary look, making it a favorite choice for adding natural beauty, elegance, and year-round greenery to interiors. Dwarf umbrella tree or Scaphilera arboricola. Looking for a compact tree that makes a big impact? The dwarf umbrella tree is an excellent choice. Its elegant stems are topped with clusters of shiny green leaflets that spread like tiny umbrellas, giving the plant its unique name. This evergreen beauty grows steadily indoors and responds well to occasional pruning, allowing you to maintain the perfect size for your space. Place it in bright, indirect light for the best growth, and water only after the soil has partially dried. Easy to care for and naturally attractive, the dwarf umbrella tree brings a fresh, tropical charm to living rooms, offices, and cozy indoor corners. Money tree or Pachira aquatica. The money tree is a graceful indoor tree that combines beauty with a touch of symbolism. Recognizable by its braided trunk and vibrant hand-shaped leaves, it is believed in many cultures to represent good luck, prosperity, and positive energy. Native to the wetlands of Central and South America, it flourishes in bright, indirect light and appreciates evenly moist soil without becoming waterlogged. This adaptable tree grows well indoors and fits comfortably in small homes with occasional pruning. Its lush canopy creates a peaceful, refreshing atmosphere while adding a sophisticated tropical accent, making the money tree a favorite choice for homes, offices, and indoor gardens. Ponytail palm tree or Bucania ricavata. Don't let its name fool you. The ponytail palm isn't a true palm but a unique succulent tree with remarkable character. Its swollen, bottle-shaped trunk stores water, making it highly drought-tolerant and an excellent choice for busy plant owners. Long, narrow leaves gracefully cascade from the top, creating the appearance of a flowing ponytail. Native to the arid regions of Mexico, it thrives in bright light and requires only occasional watering. Slow-growing and compact, this eye-catching plant fits beautifully into small homes without demanding much space. Its sculptural form adds a modern, playful touch, making it a standout feature in any indoor setting. Corn plant or Dracena fragrans. If you are searching for an indoor tree that combines elegance with effortless care, the corn plant is a fantastic option. Its tall woody stems and fountain-like clusters of rich green leaves create a striking vertical display without overwhelming a small room. This slow-growing beauty naturally develops a tree-like appearance, making it ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, and office spaces. It prefers moderate to bright indirect light and only needs watering when the soil begins to dry. Thanks to its adaptability and attractive foliage, the corn plant remains a popular choice for anyone wanting a stylish, low-maintenance indoor tree that stays beautiful throughout the year. Lady Palm or Rapis excelsa. The lady palm brings a sense of timeless elegance with its fan-shaped leaves and graceful, multi-stemmed growth. Unlike many indoor trees that grow from a single trunk, this plant forms dense clusters of slender canes, creating a full, lush appearance. Native to southern China, it is highly valued for its ability to adapt to indoor conditions and tolerate lower light levels. It prefers lightly moist, well-drained soil and rewards consistent care with steady, healthy growth. Whether placed in a cozy corner or beside a window, the lady palm adds a refined tropical touch, making small homes feel brighter, calmer, and naturally inviting throughout the year. Banana tree or Musa. Bring a touch of the tropics indoors with the banana tree, a fast-growing plant that instantly creates a bold, exotic statement. Its enormous paddle-shaped leaves unfurl one by one, adding dramatic texture and vibrant greenery to any room. Although it resembles a tree, the banana tree is actually the world's largest herbaceous plant. It thrives in bright light, warm temperatures, and consistently moist soil with good drainage. Compact varieties are especially well suited for small homes and containers. With its lush foliage and tropical charm, the banana tree transforms ordinary indoor spaces into refreshing, resort-like retreats full of life and natural beauty. Yucca cane or Yucca gigantea. The yucca cane is a bold indoor tree that stands out with its thick woody trunk and rosettes of long, sword-shaped leaves. Native to the dry regions of Central America, it is naturally adapted to withstand drought, making it one of the easiest indoor trees to maintain. This architectural plant loves bright light and requires only occasional watering once the soil has dried completely. Its upright growth habit makes it ideal for adding height without occupying much floor space. With its clean lines, sculptural appearance, and exceptional durability, the yucca cane is a perfect choice for modern homes seeking a stylish, low-maintenance green centerpiece. Ruffled fan palm or Licula grandis. The ruffled fan palm is a true showstopper, admired for its perfectly round, pleated leaves that resemble elegant handheld fans. Native to the tropical rainforests of the South Pacific, this rare palm brings a luxurious, exotic feel to indoor spaces. Unlike many palms with feathery foliage, its broad, glossy leaves create a bold and distinctive look. It thrives in bright, filtered light, high humidity, and evenly moist, well-drained soil. Slow-growing and naturally compact, the ruffled fan palm fits beautifully into small homes while adding a sophisticated tropical atmosphere. Its unique foliage makes it an unforgettable centerpiece in any indoor plant collection. Weeping fig or Ficus benjamina. The weeping fig is a classic indoor tree celebrated for its elegant, cascading branches and dense canopy of small, glossy leaves. As it matures, its slender trunk and naturally arching shape give it the appearance of a miniature indoor forest. Native to Asia and Australia, this evergreen tree flourishes in bright, indirect light and prefers a consistent watering routine without soggy soil. Once it settles into a suitable location, it rewards you with vigorous, healthy growth. Its refined silhouette complements both traditional and modern interiors, making the weeping fig a timeless choice for bringing natural beauty, softness, and lasting greenery into small homes. Ming aralia or Polycias fruticosa. For those who appreciate plants with a delicate, artistic appearance, the Ming aralia is an exceptional choice. Its slender branches are covered with finely textured, lacy leaves that create an elegant, cloud-like canopy. Unlike many indoor trees with large foliage, this plant offers a light and refined look that suits both modern and classic interiors. It grows slowly, making it easy to maintain in compact spaces without frequent pruning. Place it in bright, indirect light and water when the soil begins to dry. With its graceful form and distinctive character, the Ming Aralia effortlessly adds style, warmth, and natural elegance to any indoor setting. Dragon tree or Dracena marginata. The dragon tree is a striking indoor plant that brings a bold, contemporary look with its slender trunks and narrow, arching leaves edged in deep red. Its sculptural form makes it an excellent choice for adding height and visual interest without taking up much space. Native to Madagascar, this resilient tree thrives in bright, indirect light but also adapts well to lower light conditions. It prefers well-drained soil and only needs watering after the soil has dried out. Slow-growing and easy to maintain, the dragon tree is ideal for small homes, offering year-round greenery while effortlessly complementing modern, minimalist, and tropical-inspired interiors. Norfolk Island pine or Araucaria heterophylla. Looking for an indoor tree that stays green in every season? The Norfolk Island pine is an excellent choice. Its soft, feathery branches grow in neat horizontal layers, giving the tree a naturally balanced and graceful appearance. Unlike many conifers, its needles are gentle to the touch, making it perfect for indoor living spaces. This attractive tree prefers bright, indirect light and regular watering to keep the soil lightly moist. As it grows slowly, it remains manageable for years in a container. With its elegant silhouette and calming presence, the Norfolk Island pine creates a fresh, cozy atmosphere and becomes a beautiful focal point in any small home.